welcome back to another video. Today we're going to play this game. Well, I actually played this game a lot ago. You can see the stupid amount of money, and we can see in chat people talking. And the name of this game is Storm Chaser Survival. And this game is also getting a sequel. A second game called Storm Chaser Survival 2 with human characters, and it's currently in what the heck is that? It's currently in development, but according to the leaks, the papers, it is coming. It is coming there. It's coming. No. Okay, back to what I'm talking. So in this game, it's literally just hide and seek. You are hider. If you get big hider, you hide. But instead of normal humans, we got flat PNG images of interceptor. Yeah, this is really tough. I saw people speaking in my language, which is Filipino. So that's cool. Where's the killer, by the way? This is the first map. I don't know what this is called, by the way. Alright, we're in the lobby. So that's the text right here. Storm Chaser Survival 2 is now in the works. This game excluded. Yeah. Here's the update list. It's not completely all. There's some updates I will remove because to fit more. But look at these people. No, there's so many. Okay, we can ignore. And here's my friend Overspeed or DBS. And we are in the SCP Foundation map. I love in the SCP Foundation. It makes me so cool. Look, it's so proven. Yo, chill, bud, yeah. What did I do? I know how to play this game. Trust me. It's too bright. Right now. Billion Oh. Sometimes this happens for some reason. People roping. Like this is a killing game, not some sort of roping. Smartest and survival storm chase. Okay. It's true, that's good. They just do this. The most stupid thing I ever seen. Like, just play normally. I also like to abuse bugs. But wait, don't literally fix them. I just low-key want to use them because I only get bullied and I low-key want to show that I'm better than them. Just low-key what I want. I'm currently not using the bugs. Bugs is that something is glitch or something like that. And we got someone here. Look, it's more fruit. That's cool. We got another armadillo. The killer is also one of these. Is gonna be this cloud, which is a baseball. Seeing Casey, which is an American filmmaker, and Timmer, which is a meteorologist. They're still in there. Yeah, they're still in there. Push! Stop! Stop playing with the goddamn button. My god, Lord Dominator's on help. Dude, they're literally testing on the subjects. Buddy Bello, JJ, and Gray. I thought that's it, Tomato. Tomato. You get triple T's out here, right? Oh, am I getting it? This is the smartest storm chasing survival player. Okay, the round's about to end, so low key the killer just broke him. He did nothing, dude. He didn't even kill. I can't show you guys real actual footage of this game. Can like paper add like I don't know. Ah yes. Look at this avatar. This is what the fuck? I love the FNAF map. I used to glitch over here. They fixed it. Now I'm depressed. I'm joking. I'm actually just sad. No, I'm actually joking. I'm actually happy that they fixed the most infamous bug I've ever seen. Yeah, man. Can I still use my old tactic from the 1800s? I meant from the early of this game, not the 1800s. This actually consists of 2 maps. Five Nights, FNAF 2 and FNAF 1.
Hi, good to see you guys. Hey, look at me. My name's me.
Nah, this man. Nah, see Casey is showing that. Also, I forgot to tell you that there's a 4th killer called Tornado. There's literally just PNG. It's just all PNG characters. And it's based on interceptors. This is so freaky. I'm outside the map. Yeah, same bro. Up there, the editor does not see this. Mobile hotspot, bro. Yes. Yes. Where's the lobby? There it is. I see the name tag. Who's this? Hi. Oh, it's DBS. I haven't seen it yet. Hi. I think I'm bad at script spelling. Holy shit, I'm so mad. Oops, wrong side. Ano? Ano pa? I mean, we have a lot of time. We have some random BS. No, Dom 3. What? Should I look at the chat? Okay, I'm gonna look in the chat for 5 seconds. The blue orb. What do you mean blue orb? What do you mean blue orb? Please say something, man. I absolutely what the heck? Oh, that's what he's talking about. See? Why is he away? And also, I've actually forgot about. I actually created once a small code. And no, it's not something that hurts you, so it's just called the lobbyist, which is you glitch out the map and you go to the lobby and hang out there for like the entire round. Lobbyist. And it was pretty small. Like one member, then that's me. Okay, I'm gonna end it right here. So, what did he say? Also, there's also a round called 1 bounce. If you want to see that, just join the game. Is my game lagging? It's broken. Oh, of course it had to be broken. Okay, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.